Okay guys, here we got the shark jack. It's just arrived in the package. Do a bit of an unboxing and see what we've got. So this is the field kit that comes with it. You get a few extra bits and bobs in there. Alright, so this looks like the shark jack in the tin. We've got the little case, chuck it in. Here, it looks like USB-C cable, USB-C to C, an Ethernet cable with a USB 2 to fast Ethernet adapter, and some stickers. There we go. That's what we've got. Okay, so we might just go straight to the good part. It comes in this aluminium tin, which is quite nice. The hinge on the back, just pop it open. Got your little card, and they did say when you're charging it you got to be careful of the little LiPo battery in there, because apparently it does get pretty hot. So you got that, and then the shark jack, here it is. There you go. So then take this off. Firmly. Pull the tab down, that comes off. There you go. And it's quite a bit more sturdy than I thought it would be. Sort of did look a little bit flimsy on maybe some of the other videos, but it's quite sturdy, which is good. And yeah, clip it back in. So I'll charge that up later, have a go, plug it in and see if it comes with some preloaded payloads. I think you've got an nmap on there and USB-C cable. So most of these should be pretty straightforward. Yeah, you got a USB-C to C. It's also got a little USB adapter on there, which is pretty cool. So that would be for charging up the shark jack. So pretty straightforward. Plug the USB-C into the back here. If I can get it in. There we go. And that's USB, that's for like your Samsung, your old Samsung type charger. And then it's got a USB-C on the back there. So you get two little adapters there, which is pretty cool. It's your Ethernet, it's your Hak5 retractable. I always find these things a bit, they get a bit messy. But yeah, cool that they give it to you. And these things are pretty handy. USB to Ethernet adapter. you can pretty handy for a few different situations. If you just need another Ethernet port, they can come in handy. And stickers, which it's not much to, and wrap. I do have one of these that came with the signal owl. They are pretty handy just to keep everything together. Yeah, pretty straightforward. Just got a Velcro strap. A few pockets you can put things in. Yeah, that's pretty much the unboxing, guys. Let's charge it up and yeah, see what we can do. Okay, so we might just go straight to the good part. It comes in this aluminium tin, which is quite nice. The hinge on the back, just pop it open. Got your little card, and they did say when charging it, you got to be careful of the little LiPo battery in there, because apparently it does get pretty hot. So we got that, and then the shark jack. Here it is. There you go. So then take this off. It's a bit filmy. Pull the tab down, that comes off. There you go. And it's quite a bit more sturdy than I thought it would be. Sort of did look a little bit flimsy on maybe some of the other videos, but it's quite sturdy, which is good. And yeah, clip it back in. So I'll charge that up later, have a go, plug it in and see if it comes with some preloaded payloads. I think you've got an nmap on there and USB-C cable. So most of these should be pretty straightforward. Yeah, you got a USB-C to C. Oh, it's also got a little USB adapter on there, which is pretty cool. So that would be for charging up the shark jack. So pretty straightforward. Plug the USB-C into the back here. Get it in. There we go. And that's USB, that's for like your Samsung, your old Samsung type charger. And then it's got a USB-C on the back there. So you get two little adapters there, which is pretty cool. It's your Ethernet, it's your Cat5 retractable. I always find these things a bit, they get a bit messy. But yeah, it's cool that they give it to you. And these things are pretty handy. USB to Ethernet adapter. You can pretty handy for a few different situations. If you just need another Ethernet port, they can come in handy. Some stickers, which is not much to, and wrap. I do have one of these that came with the signal hour. They are pretty handy just to keep everything together. Yeah, pretty straightforward. Just got a Velcro strap. A few pockets you can put things in. Yeah, that's pretty much the unboxing, guys. Let's charge it up and yeah, see what we can do. Okay, so this is the Hak5 Sharkjack website, and this is the kit that I got, the Sharkjack Jumbo kit. And you got a few videos on here, and they take you through a few different things. But then if you, see, that's all the stuff that we got there, and that's how you can organise it in that case that came with it. So on that page, if you come over to this unboxing and setup of the Hak5 Sharkjack, you can read the information there, and yeah, basically they're worried about charging it, so definitely don't overcharge it. So it's saying flip the switch to the off position. That's the one closest to the USB-C port, so yeah, it must be in there by default on that side. Then plug the USB-C into your charger. So I actually have got a USB-C port on my laptop, so just plug that straight in there. Okay, so we just plugged it in and we had some green lights. Now we're going blue, so that's indicating that the battery is now charging, and we just got to wait for a solid blue light to indicate that it's fully charged. Okay, now we've got a solid blue light, which is indicating that it's fully charged. So now we'll go plug the Sharkjack into a home router and see what devices it will pick up with its nmap scan. At the data center of the house, we've got the Sharkjack. So this is just one of my routers that I've got hooked up to Wi-Fi to my garage door controller that I did in another video. If I just plug this into the RJ port, we should be able to do an nmap scan. So firstly, I've got to put the switch right to the front, closest to the RJ jack, and then I should just be able to plug it in and see it blinking away, and that'll be performing an nmap scan, which it comes default out of the box with. Blinking away, and the light's gone off, so now it should be safe to remove out of there. So we'll remove that and then go and see what loot we captured from the network. Now that we've jacked into the network and we've got our payload on the Sharkjack, the next thing is to get it off and see what we got. So right now, currently it's in the off position. So if we flick it to the middle switch and then plug it in with the supplied USB to Ethernet adapter, and we should be able to log on and see what we've got. So after switching it to arming mode, you get a few different LED patterns coming up. So flashing green should indicate that it's booting, and now that it's gone solid green, it's ready to go and get plugged in. So one-handedly
Okay, so once we get the yellow flashing light, we should be good to SSH into the device to find our loot. Okay, so if we go to a command prompt and SSH to the supplied IP address 172.16.24.1, and we should be prompted with a password, which is Hak5 shark. So from there we're in. So if we ls, we've got those folders available, and go into loot and see what we've got in there. Another nmap file. Nmap. See what we've got in there, and there we go. We've got our scan file. So if we now go and open that file, cat nmap scan 2.txt. There you go. So that is now displaying all the captured devices on that router, which is a whole lot of one device basically. So we've got the router here, which is at that address, and we have 10.0.0.3, which is the garage door Arduino. So there we go, there we have it, the payload from the Shark Jack.